Welcome to the first entry of my devlog. This is 3D engine GFX, and it's for Windows and Linux. What you see now is the edit mode, where you can manipulate your scene and, well, build your levels for your game or whatever. And then there's the game mode, where you don't see any bounding boxes and anything, just what your game would look like. So let me go back into edit mode, move the slide around, this slide. Here we have some particles. I can move them around as well. Let's load a model of a boat. Loading the texture and the model. Done. There it is. I scale it down. So yeah, here it is. That's the boat, and when I now can move it around, can rotate it, do whatever I want. And when I select the light, as you can see, the object is lit accordingly. This is just phone lighting, nothing fancy, but you might as well have bump mapping, parallax mapping and whatnot. So now let's move the smoke on top of the boat. Moving the boat to the smoke. So it doesn't look good now. Let's go to game mode, and voila, a lit boat model with smoke on top. That's what you can do. Now, what if I want a character? I just load one. Dexter from the TV show. Not from Dexter's Lab, obviously. The other Dexter, the Bay Harbor Butcher. So here he is. We scale him accordingly. I can now... Here he is. Also lit accordingly to light position, and I can now move him around, and he stands on the boat. He looks in this direction. So now I go in game mode again, and yeah, here he is. And there's the smoke. That's what you kinda can do, because it is a scene graph with asset streaming at its core. Well, that's all, folks. For now, at least.